Hi everyone, Pete from Joel Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making a peg plane, which is this here. So you're going to need glue stick, some colouring pens, your peg, the two long lollipops and the short one. You're going to start off by colouring in your lollipop sticks so you can do some fancy patterns, make it funky. Next, you're going to get your glue, and then you're going to put loads of glue on one end, and at the open end like that you put your short one. Just press that down, and at the front bit you put the long ones. And there's your plane. Ta-da!